Nairobi is one of the fastest growing cities in Africa, and it offers many opportunities for people who want to start and grow a business. Every day, new buildings are coming up, more people are moving into the city, and the demand for services and products continues to rise. This creates a perfect environment for entrepreneurs who are ready to take risks and work hard. Many ordinary people in Nairobi have started small businesses and grown them into ventures that make millions of Kenyan shillings every year. The secret is not just having money, but understanding what people need and delivering it in the best way possible. One of the most profitable urban businesses in Nairobi today is short-term rental services. Many visitors come to the city for business, tourism, and events. Instead of staying in hotels, they prefer comfortable and affordable apartments. This has made furnished apartments very popular in areas like Kilimani, Westlands, and Kaileshwa. You can start by renting a house and furnishing it nicely with modern furniture, good lighting, and fast internet. Once listed on popular booking platforms, you can earn between 3,000 Kenyan shillings and 10,000 Kenyan shillings per night. With consistent bookings, this business can generate hundreds of thousands of Kenyan shillings every month. Another booming opportunity is the fast food business. Nairobi residents live busy lives and often do not have time to cook. This has increased the demand for quick meals such as chips, fried chicken, burgers, and local dishes. You can start small with a food kiosk or even a delivery-only kitchen from home. With a starting capital of about 100,000 Kenyan shillings, you can build a strong customer base. The key is cleanliness, taste, and fast service. Many successful food businesses in Nairobi started as small roadside setups and later expanded into full restaurants. Laundry services are also making significant profits in urban areas. Many people live in apartments and have tight schedules, so they prefer to outsource washing and ironing. Starting a laundry business requires basic equipment like washing machines, drying lines, and ironing tools. With a capital of between 50,000 Kenyan shillings and 200,000 Kenyan shillings, you can set up a small operation. Charging around 300 Kenyan shillings to 1,000 Kenyan shillings per load, you can quickly recover your investment. Offering pick-up and delivery services can give you an advantage over competitors. The construction and interior design business is another high-earning sector in Nairobi. The city is expanding rapidly, and new homes, offices, and commercial spaces are being built every day. People are also renovating their spaces to make them more modern and attractive. Services such as painting, tiling, gypsum installation, and furniture design are in high demand. Even with basic skills, you can start small and grow by building a portfolio of completed projects. Some contractors earn tens of thousands of Kenyan shillings per job, while larger projects can bring in millions. Smartphone repair is a simple but powerful business idea. Almost everyone in Nairobi owns a smartphone, and these devices often get damaged or develop technical problems. Learning how to repair phones can open the door to steady income. With a starting capital of about 30,000 Kenyan shillings to 100,000 Kenyan shillings, you can buy tools and spare parts. Offering services like screen replacement, battery changes, and software fixes can bring in daily income. As your reputation grows, you can even open a shop in a busy area and hire additional technicians. Transport services, especially ride-hailing and car hire, have also become very popular. Many people prefer using digital transport platforms for convenience and safety. If you own a car, you can register it and start earning daily income. On average, a single car can generate between 2,000 Kenyan shillings and 6,000 Kenyan shillings per day. If you manage multiple vehicles, your income can grow significantly. Some entrepreneurs in Nairobi have built fleets of cars and now earn passive income from drivers who operate them. The second-hand clothing business, commonly known as Mitumba, remains one of the most accessible and profitable ventures. It requires low capital and offers high returns. You can start with as little as 10,000 Kenyan shillings by buying a small bale or selecting items from wholesale markets. The secret is choosing quality clothes and selling them in the right location. Some traders make profits of up to 100% on individual items. With consistency and good customer relations, this business can grow into a large retail operation. Digital marketing is another fast-growing field in Nairobi. As more businesses move online, they need help promoting their products and services. Skills such as social media management, content creation, search engine optimization, and online advertising are in high demand. You can start this business with minimal capital especially if you already have a computer and internet connection. By working with local businesses and even international clients, you can earn a steady income. Many digital marketers in Nairobi charge monthly retainers ranging from 20,000 Kenyan shillings to over 100,000 Kenyan shillings per client. Agribusiness, especially urban supply chains, is also a goldmine. Nairobi depends heavily on food supplies from rural areas. By connecting farmers with urban markets, you can build a profitable business. You can buy fruits, vegetables, and other produce in bulk and supply them to households, restaurants, and supermarkets. Consistency and quality are very important in this business. With proper planning, you can earn good profits while helping reduce food shortages in the city. Fitness and wellness services are becoming increasingly popular as more people focus on their health. Gyms, personal training, yoga classes, and wellness programs are in high demand, especially among young professionals. You can start as a personal trainer with minimal equipment or open a small fitness studio. Charging clients for sessions or monthly memberships can generate steady income. Some trainers in Nairobi earn over 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month by working with multiple clients. What makes these businesses successful in Nairobi is the environment itself. The city has a large and diverse population, which means there is always demand for different products and services. People are willing to pay for convenience, quality, and reliability. The widespread use of mobile money also makes it easy to receive payments and manage transactions. Technology has made it possible to reach customers through social media and online platforms, even without a physical shop. However, success in business is not guaranteed. It requires discipline, patience, and the ability to adapt to changes. Many people fail because they give up too early or do not understand their market. It is important to start small, learn from mistakes, and reinvest profits back into the business. Building strong relationships with customers and maintaining good service standards can help you stand out in a competitive market. Another important factor is location. In Nairobi, where you set up your business can determine your success. High traffic areas often bring more customers, but may have higher rent. It is important to balance cost and visibility. For example, a food business near offices or schools is likely to attract more customers during the day, while a laundry service near residential areas may have consistent demand. Marketing also plays a big role. Even the best business idea can fail if people do not know about it. Using social media platforms to promote your business can help you reach a wider audience. Posting regularly, engaging with customers, and offering promotions can increase your visibility. Word of mouth is also very powerful in Nairobi, so providing excellent service can lead to more referrals. In addition, managing your finances properly is key. Many small businesses fail because of poor financial planning. Keeping records of your income and expenses helps you understand how your business is performing. It also helps you make better decisions about pricing, expansion, and investments. Saving part of your profits can help you handle unexpected challenges and take advantage of new opportunities. Nairobi is full of opportunities for those who are willing to take action. The businesses listed above are not just ideas, but real ventures that people are using to build wealth every day. Whether you have a small amount of capital or a larger investment, there is something you can start. The most important step is to begin and stay consistent. In the end, building a successful business in Nairobi is about solving problems and meeting needs. If you can provide value to people and do it better than others, you will always find customers. The journey may not be easy, but with determination and smart planning, it is possible to turn a simple idea into a business that generates millions of Kenyan shillings.